Plans change, and now you need to cancel your Airbnb. Don't sweat it. We're going to walk you through the cancellation process step by step to make it as painless as possible. First, open your Airbnb app or head to the Airbnb website and log into your account. Next, navigate to the trip section. This is where you'll find all your upcoming and past reservations. Locate the reservation you need to cancel and tap or click on it to view the details. Scroll down until you find the button that says Cancel Reservation. It might also say Change Reservation, but we're focusing on cancellation today. Tap the Cancel Reservation button. Airbnb will then walk you through a series of screens. Pay close attention to the cancellation policy displayed. This will determine how much, if any, of your money you'll get back. Read the cancellation policy carefully. It'll outline the specific deadlines for full or partial refunds. Some hosts have strict policies, while others are more flexible. Airbnb will also show you the estimated refund amount based on when you cancel. After reviewing the policy and understanding the refund amount, confirm your cancellation. Airbnb might ask you for a reason for canceling. You can choose the most appropriate option from the list. Remember, once you confirm, the reservation is officially canceled. If you're running into any issues or have questions about the cancellation policy, don't hesitate to contact Airbnb support. You can usually find a help or contact us section within the app or website. They can assist you with specific situations. And hey, before you completely cancel, consider modifying your reservation. You might be able to adjust the dates or the number of guests instead. It's worth exploring those options before hitting cancel. That's it. Canceling an Airbnb can be straightforward. If you follow these steps now, you can deal with the change plans without worrying about the Airbnb.